Are you tired of ugly overhang when you mount your fire alarm devices and boxes in industrial settings? Well, so were we. That's why Garvin Industries has invented a brand new fire alarm device box that is 4 11/16 inches square, offers a unique patented design, allows any industry standard notifier, strobe, or alarm device to be mounted directly to this box. The box offers 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch concentric knockouts on opposite sides, as well as a centered 3/4 and 1 inch knockout on the other side. The way the box works is you simply take the fire alarm mounting plate and align it with the holes on the box. Center it in place. As you can see, the plate mounts nice and flush to the edge of the boxes. You can make your attachments and then simply snap on the finished cover. As you can see, it's a nice clean fit with just a slight overhang at the top back that's enclosed by the plate. Go from the old ugly design to a nice clean professional look on every job site. These boxes come in both fire alarm red, fire alarm white. We can also paint them to any custom color that you need on your job site. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.